What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Fat and Wavy, and I'm back with another video. Oh shit, got bumped. Okay, I'm back with another video. So today, I just woke up and my Amazon package came in the mail. So today I'm just doing a quick unboxing for y'all for this teeth whitening kit on Amazon. I'll show y'all the description and everything right here. Then so basically, it said it's supposed to help you help your teeth get better, like a little whitening. So I'm gonna do a part 1 and a part 2 video of it. But this right here is I'll just tell you a little bit about it and to show you the unboxing of it. So this is what it is. So it's a teeth whitening system. It comes with charcoal powder, a whitening pen. Oh, I get my next one free if I text a number. They call M3 Natural Complete. So when I first saw the picture, I thought about it coming in a big box, but it did just come in this little box, which ain't no big deal as long as it works and everything. So give me a second, I'm about to open it up. Let's see. So let me set my phone up. Give me 1 second. Okay. So this is what it is. I don't feel like anything in it, really. Let's see. So, thought about coming with more than that, but first you get the little instruction book. No, just a card actually. Tell you what everything got in it and everything, like the whitening pen and the charcoal powder. That come in the box. Then you get the actual whitening pen. Put it down your teeth after you brush to give it like that ultimate shine. We'll put it. Wow. Actually pretty cool. I'm about to use it. Probably gonna start tomorrow because if I try to do it today, I'm probably gonna be late to work. I'll be at work at 11. So I'm gonna take a shower. So. And this is actually the charcoal powder. So I need to order the brush it's supposed to come with. I need to order the brush so I can actually have the brush too. The toothbrush I'm using now is this. And when I bought this toothbrush, it was $30. But it's actually cool. Come with a charger and everything on it. Automatic. So, that's the toothbrush I use now. So. But yeah, see? Get your next one free. Text that number. So let me open it. Oh, fancy. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Oh. Okay. So that's what the powder look like. So all you'll do is like dip your toothbrush in it, brush your teeth, and I guess it's supposed to make your teeth a little whiter. I saw people get results in a few days and stuff like that. So I definitely want to keep you updated. I'll do like a couple day review on it for the part 2. Just so I keep you updated on what they're doing and everything. I might do a weekly update, like next week I might update again. So just stay tuned for that and everything. So I'll put the link in the description for it and everything. It was like real soft. Oh, that's crazy. That's nice. I like that. Put the top back on, spin back on. So yeah, I want to do a weekly update for part 2. Just so y'all see like the best results. I'll make sure I follow it by the book and what it say, so I can give y'all the best review possible for it and everything. But yeah, it was $14 on Amazon. So hopefully it works. Yeah, hopefully it works and everything. So. Yeah, so next thing I had to order is like the actual the charcoal toothbrush. I think like a wooden toothbrush or something like that. It got like black bristles on it. So I'll order that next, and then yeah. So hopefully that works. So I don't actually have to go to the dentist and get like a teeth whitening, a teeth bleach, you know what they call it. So yeah. So I'm gonna say thank you y'all. Thank everybody for watching and everything. This was a quick review, just a quick video, like unboxing video to show y'all what I got. I thought it would be pretty cool to tell people, especially if people were looking into this item, So actually gonna tell y'all how it is and everything. So yeah, so stay tuned. Part two coming in 2 weeks. I mean in a week. My bad. Part two coming in a week. So stay tuned. And it's your boy, and I'm out.